Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for retro and nostalgic products business, easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you want to sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here, you have to sign up for free. So let's get started. Okay, so after you sign up, it will take you to the dashboard. So just sign up and it will take you here to this dashboard as you see here. Now you have to set up your website and storefront. Okay, so here you have to set up your website and storefront. Click on it. It will take you to the editor page. Here we're gonna design and customize, edit your site. So go to the settings and go to the templates and select here the templates which you want to use for your topic. So for this topic, I guess the topic isn't here, so you can select just a random one. So for example, I'm gonna select this one here. Okay, so you have to change everything. Start with the header and the menu. So go and change your site logo. Okay, so enter here your company name. After this, you can manage the navigation menu, so you can delete all these menu items and you can add yours. um, Also you can add your contact information and also the social profiles. And in the design of any section, you have to try your best to make your site look attractive, so anyone can visit your site and attract to your business. So make sure don't forget the simple details like the font and like the size, and also you can add the frame outline. So all this simple stuff is important to make your site looks better. Just like this. Now let's move on to the next section. Okay, so as you see here, you can enter here the title. For example, you can introduce your business to your customers. Welcome to our site for retro and nostalgic business. Okay, just like this. And for example, here you can add the description. For example, like this. Okay. Now let's go back. Let's move on now to the store section. Before we go to the store, don't forget to design. You can select any design, and also of course you have to change the title font, the size, um, also the description. Okay, so just like this. Okay, now let's go back. Let's move on now to the store section. So as you see here, you have to create your product. So you have to go back to the dashboard and go here, add your products or services. So click on your product. Now as you see, you have to add the product gallery. So take a picture of your product, add it here, and you have to add the name of your product, the REF, the weight on kilogram, and don't forget to customize the prices options and also the description of your product. So that's it. After this, you can save this section here and go back to the editor and complete the design of the background and the product name, the product and the product image and the product price. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, you have to add the subtitle, and here you can use this space to talk about your company informations and why should your customers buy from you or use your services. Okay, and don't forget to change the color and like this simple stuff here. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, after add the tagline and the title and the description, so you have to change the image. So just from the browser, search on retro and nostalgic. Okay, nostalgic products. Okay, so I think I'm gonna choose this one here. You can choose whatever you like, so this is depends on your business. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so after this, go to the design and select your favorite layout. Okay, and don't forget the color. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this color here. It's match this image. Now let's move on to the next section, the customer reviews. So of course you have to delete these reviews and add yours, add the review text and the author name and the rating. Uh, and the design, choose your favorite design. Doesn't matter. So this is depends on your favorite design. Okay, now let's move on to the delivery information. So nothing special here, the same thing as normal. So just you can change this description of the delivery informations, the subtitle and also the title, and the same thing here in the design. Okay, so let's move on to the contacts. So as you see here, you can, of course you have to change this. You can keep it if it matches your business. um, you can change the business address. You can enter your exact postal address or plus code. Also you can add the daily hours of your work, of your business. You can enter here the contact information and the social profiles, and of course don't forget the design. So I rather choose this one here of the map in the background. So here you can zoom and put your location here, zoom out and scroll your location. So I found this is more attractive than the other ones here. Now that's it. Now let's move on the last section here. Enter your company name for the copyright. You can hide it if you want. You can hide the footer. So that's it. If you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. So that's it. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and verify if something needs to change. So if nothing needs to change, you can just publish it. Now you can start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.